Hi folks, Frank here from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions. What a treat we have here today. It is the 1970 Holden HT GTS Bathurst Monaro, known as the Monaro that started it all, verified matching numbers and in showroom condition. Let's have a closer look. One of 275 HT 350 Bathurst Monaros ever made with automatic transmission, and it's capturing the attention of enthusiasts across the country. This thing, it's an iconic record-breaking HT GTS 350 Monaro. It's had a full 2-year nut and bolt restoration, holding all correct matching numbers and presents like new. 2-speaker radio and under-dash OEM fader. Odometer stopped working shortly after the current custodian purchased the car back in 2017 when it broke the record, selling for just over $300,000. It's been driven monthly since then, obviously to car shows and short trips during that time just to keep everything moving. Folks, going under the hammer Saturday the 27th of September in our CARMada annual auction event. It is lot 950. Jump on lloydsauctions.com.au and have a look.